What's up mga Mars? Today is December 20 and padung na ko Cebu for work. To be honest, medyo emotional ko today because it's Christmas week and I won't be celebrating it with my family. I'm a bit sad pero luckily I have my Cebu friends to keep me company. December 21, touchdown Cebu. Smooth ang biyahe sa barko. Time to start my Cebu adventure! First day na ako dere ni Anime sa Puso Village with my friend. Grabe lami kayo ilang sisig mo jud niya akong kinaham. Perfect kayo pang lunch. Energy booster ba para sa sugod sa week? Pagkagabi niadto mi sa Rock Grill and Tavern to meet up my previous colleagues. It was so good to see them again. Nag-pre-Christmas celebration na mi. We did an exchange gift for all. Everyone went home with a gift.
Yes, the ako kay 2,500. 2,500.
Okay, 1.5. Wala na ko. Back to reality ta. Work. To be honest, I didn't really feel the Christmas spirit on Christmas Eve. Samtang ang tanan, nag-Noche Buena. Ako busy, tando og calls because call center is life. Laban lang jud ka ani para sa family. Finally, Christmas celebration na jud with friends diri sa Vikings. Grabe ang kaon, busog kaayo. We also did another exchange gift for all session. Bisag layo sa pamilya, kani sila maoy nagpakumpleto sa akong Pasko diri sa Cebu. Before ko mabalik, stop over ko sa Basilica Minore del Santo Niño niadtong December 27. I made sure to pray and say thank you for all the blessings and the strength to work bisag holiday. After sa church, I had a quick catch up with my close friend. It was so nice to meet his kid. So cute. And that's a wrap for my Cebu Christmas trip. Bisag medyo sad na gamay kay wala tay Noche Buena with family back in CDO, my friends here in Cebu really made me feel the love. They are my home away from home. From the Sisig and Puso village to our Vikings dinner, and the quiet moment of things at the Basilica, this trip was a reminder that we are never truly alone. To all my fellow call center agents nga nag-work sad sa Pasko, salute ka natong tanan. We did it. Mora to, ayo-ayo ang pingperme.